Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Bosco Integrated Development Society, kabade kawai nagaseng 3 months ngobha, jong kabalang Catholic, kala play Pyrda ya ka jingele kai open to all basketball tournament, kabala penlong ha Sacred Heart Theological College Mawlai. Hagani kesngi lawan man play Pyrda ya kani ka tournament ta ukongsan u Father Sunil Birla USDB, ubade u rector ka Sacred Heart Theological College. Ringkat ka jingidan lang u Father Pinday lang Kongklat, ubade u administrator, u Father James Ternyang, u executive director ka Bosco Integrated Development Society, bat kinongtre jong ka bits. U kongsan haba ai jingkren u la ai ka jingero ya ka bits. Bawat la bun ki jing e kamshim la kenrandin, bat kelawan syakmat bantre, ya ka kam na ka benta ka burong jong uble. Shwaban sedang ya ka jingele kai u kongsan ula play Pyrda ya ka ni ka tournament, da ka basdang ningkong ban le kai basketball, haringkat ki weipat ki lingdo.
Whoa, great! Shows how to shoot. We see who is the best. Oh! Oh!
Good block. Oh, block. Yes.
Definitely character formation, as Father Pyrda, the others also they have said, the discipline, teamwork. Without the teamwork, there is no way. Or not only this, the character, especially the perseverance, patience, working together. All these talents have been developed in this sport. So it is not just sports that you're going to have. It's a kind of, we can call it a school also. School where you are formed. Your character is formed, personality is formed. And therefore, along with this congratulations, I wish you all the best for this tournament that has already started. And at this moment that we are going to inaugurate it officially. And I wish you all the best to all the players, the referees, the coaches that have shaped or prepared the teams. May this tournament bring about best in the players. May the character be formed, especially of discipline, of team spirit, or sportsmanship. I wish all the best to all the teams, particularly that they may be able to exhibit solely their energy, their discipline, and their teamwork. I wish them enthusiasm without aggressive competition, without the hostility, and victory without humility. I wish all this and a fair game, particularly that they were able to respect each other and encourage each other. Not only the team members, teammates, but also all the others. And I wish you all the best for this tournament of this week, that it may really be a place where the character, personality of each other, maybe from particular the players of the young people, and may you enjoy this game, play with enthusiasm, with joy, energy, and with the right spirit and competition, particularly sportsmanship. I wish you all the best for this, to all the players and the organizers and the referees. All the best, and I've got this joy to declare open this basketball tournament of this bids. First time in this in our campus, in our court, and I declare it open. And let's witness this joyful moment and full of enthusiasm, energy of our young people.
Kumbabitip ka bids kadai kawai na ki NGO kabatray Mons ngobha ha ki South Lake State jong ka Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura bat Assam Barakwali pat ngidon ki project prepare ngidon ki project siapang ki samla skill training ngidon nak bentak women empowerment child right pat kum tater tiabangi penyaj kini ki project la dangi yo jingerap na ki NGO prepare nen na ki donor prepare te ka long ka khamsuk yangi pan trei kam henrei kat padang yaj ngiyo iru bon ki jinon kam jong ke imlang salang jong ki kena school pat kum ka bits ngila shim kumba sau pratali ki school jong sarkar ki school SSA kabangi kwa ban yarap yaki ban pen ha khamtam ya kata quality of education tengi don kam blackboard ngi don kam repair se ki building ya ka school ya ki band berkum ter tengi mla ban yo pisala yo fun tengi le kumno ngi persang kene ke tournament pan raise fund na ke benta kene ke cingtmu tengi ada ke cing sukmen ba bon kini ki sponsor jongiru ki wan chakmat POE situ sadin kini ki banar ba ki don ki organisation ka sarkar kamtam ki nongyalam jongiru ki kwa patpun ki individual donors tenga ai kuble yaki pat nga diang sobha ya pi baro kitu gibru ke badan kemon babha pila banya dek tilang bat ni kamtam ya kene kam babha bat penroi bat pej nak pentabun ki khun jongi ki samla jongi bat nam tak imlang salang yamenta sepang ke women empowerment directly ngi ya trelang bat ke MRLS kata ya ke blok Mawlai pat ya ke blok Mawpat te kedai ki staff pat dei mangina bitsi ki ba page pakmi ya kene tengi don hoj ki skill training not exactly tang ba ki don ki tuk entrepreneurship ki self help group ki balayarap ru ya ki ban seng laga jong ka kum ka kerja company or cooperative society organayo I kila don lagi jong ki dukan mo pan kiu ya kayo ka kot jong ki hakata kom ngi ya don benta bat ki neki kentai la neki for the women empowerment ya kene ke tournament kadai kajing ai jingmut hi na ki staff ki jongi ki ong ban raise fund ngatrai ka bha pangin penlong da tournament bat tema ki bawan ra ya kene idea bat ngia songlang pat ngila penlong ya kene kawai dei ban bangi sun raise fund la ne ban yo pisa Henry kadairu ka ransan na kabenta jong ki kun samla jongi menta kila dab ki exam ke jong ki song kaya ying penlut pol ase haki mobile dan only song kai le kai tengi penlong kane la kumno makiro kiyo taka forum pakin yele kai pakin kilan met paru kajingya dei kajingya teli kajingya I kata disiplin na kajing im joki tenak taka dawngi penlong